𝐶-𝐷𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐩 tripod kit. Comes with dual aluminium legs and a single handbar. On one side you have the tilt lock, and on the other you have a control for resistance. And it has a 75mm bowl. This tripod is extremely lightweight. It weighs only 4.8 kilos and it can take cameras of 4 kilos in weight. It's great value for still cameras and video cameras alike. This tripod comes with a mid-level spreader, which gives you great ground clearance, and rubber feet to secure it in place. It also has a quick release plate and a sliding adjustment. The 𝐶-𝐷𝐞𝐫𝐢𝐩 tripod kit has a height range of 80 centimetres all the way up to 163 centimetres. So in summary, it's lightweight, it's great value, and it has a midway spreader to give you fantastic ground clearance.